Can you please identify this weed that is taking over our yard and flower beds? It seems to be growing as I'm standing there. What can I do to make it go away forever? It is a vine-like underneath and spreads and chokes down everything. Help. And this is Janny. So what do you think that is?
A lot of times we a weed to go away forever.
Yeah, forever.
Forever. Let me know about that weed thing. How you can do that? Look like ground ivy. There could be ground ivy in there. And we had a lot of rain too, and that what caused it to grow a lot.
Right.
And it's do that, especially allowing hold water a little bit in there. I pour drain it, and you will see that ground ivy in there.
Right.
But to get rid of forever, I don't know now. You can use something like 2,4-D or maybe spray it on there. Just read the label on that before you start using that on there.
Okay.
But that might help some.
Okay.
Then next time I come along with a pre-emergent or something, put down
on
your lawn.
Okay.
That might help some too in that area.
Yeah, I think that would help.
If you got poor drain, try to fix the drainage problem in there.
Right.
That would help in that too.
It's the old ground ivy, or some people call it creeping Charlie.
Creeping Charlie. You know what, Doc? I got some in my yard.
Do you?
I got some
in
my yard. I got some in my yard.
Book is not exempt from that.
Not exempt, man. All that rain can't help the rain. See.
Yeah, ground ivy is pretty tough. It does spread by stolons.
Okay.
It's a perennial. It's actually in the mint family. So if you crush it up, it actually smells like mint.
Okay.
But you usually see it in the spring and in the summertime. How about culturally? Make sure you grow a thick stand of grass.
Thick stand of grass and that,
Right.
check the soil pitch and all that. Make sure it's good. Keep the right height when you cut your grass.
That's right.
That'll help a lot of things too.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.